Hey kiddos, little explorers. Are you ready to meet some amazing animals today? Let's jump into the wild and see who's waiting for us. Lion. Here's a lion, the king of the jungle. With its majestic mane, it stands proud and strong. Lions are known for their powerful roars that echo across the wild. Elephant. Look at the elephant, with its long trunk and big ears. Elephants use their trunks to grab food and water. They're gentle giants, roaming peacefully in the wild. Zebra. Here comes a zebra, with its unique black and white stripes. Zebras can run fast to escape danger, and no two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Dog. A friendly dog is here. Dogs love to play and are always full of energy. With their wagging tails and happy faces, they make wonderful companions. Giraffe. Look up at the tall giraffe. With its long neck, it can reach the highest leaves on the trees. Giraffes are one of the tallest animals in the world. Ostrich. Here's an ostrich, the largest bird on Earth. Even though it can't fly, it can run faster than most animals, thanks to its powerful legs. Tiger. Look at the tiger, with its striking orange fur and black stripes. Tigers are stealthy hunters, known for their strength and grace in the jungle. Panda. Meet the panda, a fluffy black and white bear that loves munching on bamboo. They're gentle and often relax in the forest. Cat. Here's a curious cat. Cats are graceful and sneaky, always ready to explore new places. They move so quietly, you won't even hear them coming. Monkey. Look, a playful monkey. Monkeys are clever and love to swing from tree to tree. They're always full of energy and fun. Turtle. Here comes the slow and steady turtle, carrying its home wherever it goes with its hard shell. Turtles may be slow, but they never give up. Deer. Here's a graceful deer. With slender legs, it moves swiftly and quietly through the forest. Deer are known for their gentle nature. A fox. Look, a fox. They're quick and smart, always exploring and searching for new adventures in the forest. Rabbit. A fluffy rabbit is here. Rabbits love to hop around and explore. With their big ears, they can hear everything around them. Gorilla. Meet the mighty gorilla, strong and powerful. Gorillas are gentle giants of the jungle, often sitting and eating plants with their big hands. Kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo. With powerful legs, it can jump great distances. Kangaroos carry their babies in a pouch as they hop around. Thanks for joining our animal adventure. Keep exploring and discovering more amazing creatures. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new and exciting videos.